The Snake and the Kid. A long time ago, in a small village near a big forest, there lived a kind boy named Tony. Tony loved animals and often helped them whenever he could. One sunny afternoon, while walking near the river, Tony heard a soft hissing sound. He followed the sound and found a big snake trapped under a heavy branch. The snake's shiny scales glistened in the sunlight, but it looked weak and scared. "Don't worry," Tony said kindly. "I'll help you." Tony pushed the branch with all his strength until the snake was free. Instead of slithering away, the snake stayed close to him. It wrapped itself gently around Tony's arm as if to say, "Thank you." From that day, the snake and Tony became friends. The snake followed Tony wherever he went. Tony gave it food and even let it sleep near him at night. The villagers, however, were not happy. "Tony," one old man said, "you can't trust a snake. It's in its nature to hurt." But Tony shook his head. "This snake is my friend. It won't harm me." The days passed, and the snake grew bigger and stronger. It stayed by Tony's side, and Tony trusted it completely. One day, Tony and the snake went deep into the forest. They found a beautiful spot filled with flowers and fireflies. Tony laughed and danced, feeling happy to have such a loyal friend. But as the night fell, the snake began to feel hungry. Its hunger grew stronger, and it looked at Tony. The boy had always been kind, but the snake's instincts took over. Before Tony could react, the snake opened its mouth wide and swallowed him whole. The villagers searched for Tony, but only found the snake, now lying still with a full belly. And that's the end of our story. The moral of the story is, be careful who you trust. Even a kind heart cannot change the true nature of someone. Did you learn a new word? Share it in the comments with a sentence. If you enjoyed the story, like, share, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. See you next time.